Hi, I'm Kurt Frankenberg. I'm speaking to you again from a martial arts studio because that's my main occupation. You're going to want to invest at least the 5 minutes it's going to take to listen to this first snippet of a short series I call The Holy Grail of Trading, because I found it. By the time you're through watching, you'll know I'm right. I found it because I finally started looking in the right place. Before I found it, I lost thousands of dollars over and over again. But now I'm a successful investor. My performance is not a secret because I post every trade as I enter and exit them in real time on my website for anybody that cares to watch. More importantly though, as you watch this free series of videos, you'll discover what the Holy Grail can do for you. Ever since the first market exchanges were founded by man, and even before then, when hunters and farmers and generals wish to know the outcomes of their endeavors, we've searched for a way to know the future. Knowing where to find the game, for example, how much and when to plant, even which battles should be fought and which should be avoided. This is why man has longed to control, or at least predict, the outcome of his actions in the here and now. Now, most folks that have heard of trading systems know what I'm talking about here, the Holy Grail of Trading. I don't even like to use the phrase holy grail anymore. Holy to me means of or pertaining to God. I don't want to get all religious on anyone here. What I do want to say is that when I say Holy Grail, when most people say Holy Grail, what they mean is a bulletproof trading system. One that almost never loses. One that never loses, or so almost never loses that it really doesn't even matter that you lose when you do, because you'll make up the difference in the very next trade. Now, I used to think, as many folks do, that the way to do that was through indicators. You know, charts and other data crunching methods to look at the price and the volume and the ups and the downs and so forth, and to predict the next thing a stock will do from its past performance. I know about this because I've tried almost all of them. I've tried the Gann trading system, the Gann angles. I've tried Darvas boxes. Nicholas Darvas made lots of money in his sleep, I guess, as an actor, dancer, performer. He would place limit orders and make money, but he had this little box trading system that worked for him. That software with the red and green lights, yeah, I ponied up about $3,500 to find out that I didn't really know any more with that than I did with a chart and a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm not kidding here. I actually came across a site that shows how to trade using financial astrology. See, the incorporation papers, the date that they're filed, that's the company's birthday, and you can predict the price movement by watching the stars and the planets' actions. Yeah, okay. Listen, I'm going to give it to you straight. You cannot predict price movements with certainty. Unless God himself shows you what's going to happen with the prices, like he did with Joseph in Egypt, you cannot know with certainty how they're going to move. So then, what's all this with my claim that I found the Grail? That I know how to turn anyone from a loser into a winner, any winner into a bigger winner? Well, I stand by that claim. But the Grail is not in price prediction. I'm here to tell you that no stock picking or trade timing method works often enough to make you real money. People that have made real money using the systems I just mentioned, the Gann angles and the Darvas boxes and stochastics and Bollinger Bands and, you know, fill in the blank. Financial astrology. Okay. The folks that have made real money using these methods may or may not realize it, but they're consciously or unconsciously using the Grail along with their trading system. If you're still interested in trying to predict prices with certainty, I suggest the financial astrology site. If you really want to know what successful people know, and maybe you don't, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.